Looking to boost your car's audio without hassle? Speaker adapters are the simple upgrade you need to swap out your factory speakers for aftermarket ones, right in the original mounting spots. No cutting, no guesswork, just a smooth install that transforms your sound experience. I recently replaced the rear speakers in my 2004 Avalanche, which came with a factory Bose system. The new 6.5-inch kicker speakers I chose were larger than the originals, but these adapters made the swap seamless. They fit perfectly, using the factory screw holes and hardware, with zero extra drilling or modifications. The high-grade ABS material ensures a snug, gapless fit that feels solid and built to last. These adapters aren't just about fit, they're about compatibility too. Designed for most 6.5 or 6.75 aftermarket speakers with a maximum top mount diameter of 5 5/8, 143 mm, they cover a wide range of options. Plus, they're tailored for select Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Plymouth vehicles from 1988 through 2019. The detailed fit guide makes it easy to confirm they'll work with your ride. What really sets these adapters apart is the peace of mind you get. They come backed by Scotia's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty. That means if you ever hit a snag or have questions, expert help is just a call away. It's a small detail that makes a big difference when you want your upgrade to be smooth and worry-free. If you're ready to improve your vehicle's sound quality without complicated installs, these speaker adapters are worth a look. They give you what you need, a secure, perfect fit that lets your new speakers shine in the factory locations. Try them when you're ready to hear your music the way it was meant to be heard.